बुरा करोगे तो ऐसे ही होगा ना, जब कर्म खराब है तो रिजल्ट कहाँ से अच्छे मिलेंगे बेटा. Hello, my name is Srishti and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a full skincare regime under 200 from winter season. As winters are approaching in Delhi, at least here they are approaching. So I thought it would be the best time to drop this video. And I have saved my best two for the last. And they cost nothing on monetary terms. So to know what they are, stay here till the end. And I hope you will enjoy watching me. And let's get started. So let's start with face wash. For face wash, I have Aroma Magic White Chamomile Face Wash. This retails for 170 rupees, 400 ml, and it's a great face wash. Doesn't dry your skin out, doesn't strip your face with all of the essential oils and necessary oil actually. And yeah, it is a good face wash. Do check it out. For scrub, I have two recommendations. One is from Elf's Goodness, another one is from Ever Youth. This is tan removal scrub. Actually, every scrub exfoliates, so it doesn't matter whether it's tan removal or something. And this one is neem scrub. Both are good. Both have tiny scrub beads. They are not harsh on the skin, and they don't dry your skin out, so you can buy them both. And they both retails for I think around 100 rupees. Okay, this one is 30 grams and this one is 50 grams. So yeah. Now comes the moisturizer. For moisturizer, I have one recommendation, that is Pond's Light Moisturizer. It retails for 149 and this is I think the smallest tub. It looks kind of like this. It is lightweight and doesn't feel greasy, and it works for the winter season for combination skin, by the way. Dry skin, maybe you need something more heavier than this. So that's that. Oh, I forgot one thing to mention, this toner. This is a Patanjali Gulab Gel. You can use this as a toner, and this is better than Dabur Gulab Toner, that is just straight up fragrance. And it contains alcohol, and this doesn't contain alcohol. It is written that it contains aqueous distillate of petals. I'm not saying this is better than Kama Ayurveda or something, because the roses that they use are from Kannauj, and Kannauj is known for the roses. Or maybe, and this is definitely not Kannauj roses, okay, then it might be a pricier gulab gel. And I am not saying this is, this might be diluted. At least it is gulab gel, not alcohol in the name of gulab gel. So this is better, and you will definitely feel good after applying this. Trust me on that. It doesn't feel chemically. It smells like gulab, okay? So do try it out. And it retails for 28 rupees for 120 ml. So yeah, and you can get it from Patanjali, not from anywhere else. So you have to head out for that. So now for the face pack, I have one recommendation, that is neem face pack. Basically, in winters I applied strategically only on my T-zone, not on my all over my face, because it can get drying. So that's that, and it works great, cleansing your pores and everything. So yeah, and it retails for 135 for 100 grams. So now the next thing is sunscreen, and this is from Aroma Magic sunscreen. It is SPF 30 PA++. It is a zinc based sunscreen and not a chemical based one, and it retails for 375 for 100 ml. But I am sure the smaller pack retails under 200 or 210 rupees, but you can always find it at discount on purple.com. So do check the sunscreen out. It will give you a slight white cast, okay, but doesn't show up on my skin, maybe on darker skin tone. If it does, then you can mix this in with your moisturizer, then it will work perfect. Not until unless it's a great sunscreen, do check it out. It looks kind of like this. It doesn't give any sort of white cast on my skin tone. Maybe if it doesn't give any it doesn't give any white cast on my skin tone. Okay, and now I think we are left with 4 things. That is, first is eye cream, second one is lip balm. Dude, this lip balm, trust me, I bought it around June and I am still not over with this. I am constantly using this since the time I got this, and it retails for 58 rupees on MRP for 10 grams. After buying this, you will ditch your Nivea, Maybelline, Baby Lips, everything. Trust me, it moisturizes the lips and it tastes good. I'm not saying I eat my lip balm, but you can still feel the flavor or taste. That's that. Just buy this, okay? If anything you want to buy from this, buy this. Trust me, this will be your holy grail product ever bought. Before I give you the next recommendation, if you are interested in eye creams, then I have one. This is from Aroma Magic again. It retails for 210, but it is always available on discount on purple.com. Do check it out. And it is a good eye cream. Basically, it's an eye gel, and if you have light pigmentation around your mouth because of lipstick or something, when you apply too much lipstick, so you can use this. It will show you difference at least within a week. Slight difference, not very prominent one. It will take time to work on your skin, but it definitely works great. I use this under my eye makeup to moisturize my eyes actually. So yeah, that's that. So the last two, okay, so the second last point is improve your water intake and don't over stress. Guys, stress is something which we can't avoid, but we can decide when not to overdo it or to underdo it. Okay, and fun fact, stress can give you breakouts. So if everything you are using that works for you and suddenly it stops working and your skin is going upside down, that's the reminder that you're putting your body under a great stress. And stress can give you acne, hair fall, and basically overall functioning of your body can get damaged. So don't overstress. And our body is not designed to take stress for a long period of time. It can take in small dosages. So try to work like that. It's like I read a quote like, you can have your 5 to 10 minutes emotional time, then you gotta be a gangster. You can work like that. Sometimes I also do work like that. That's why I maintain a balance. And this is my hormonal acne, not stress one. Okay, don't comment on me. And so the last point is sleep well, guys. Don't do all-nighter things like staying up till 4 a.m. just to watch Naruto. I know now Naruto is a thing now actually. Even I got into that trap, but it is worth it. But don't stress your body that too much, because if your body is sleep deprived, your body will not rejuvenate, your body will not it has some things or some functions to perform that only takes place in a particular period of time and when you're sleeping. So if you're not giving your body sleep, trust me, your body will show you the hell. This is what I am getting. Okay, this is my sleep pattern disturb, breakout. और बुरा करोगे तो ऐसे ही होगा ना, जब कर्म खराब है तो रिजल्ट कहाँ से अच्छे मिलेंगे बेटा. It's like that. And also try to sleep between 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. Basically it's your body rejuvenation power is at the fullest at this time period. So try to sleep between this hours, and at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep is required. So I think we are over with the video. That's it. So yeah, just wrap it up quickly. Do let me know what you guys think of the video in the comment section below. Subscribe my channel if you like this video. Hit the bell icon so that you can get notified. And yeah, I hope I will see you soon. And you can check my channel out if you like. And bye bye.